Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. General method, write down general method to solve the ODE using the series solution. General method to solve the ODE using the series solution method. Step 1, assume the solution to be assume the solution to be y equal to x power m a naught a1x plus a2x square plus etc. Step 2, find dy by dx d square y by dx square from step 1. Step 3, equating the coefficients, equating the coefficients of all degrees of x, equating the coefficients of all degrees of x. Find the values of ai's. That means a naught, a1, a2, a3. See, whatever we have done already, that is the same thing. So already we have solved few simple problems. Here we will discuss whatever the problem. It may be that complicated or not. It may be linear, non-linear. Okay. It may be first order, second order. Independent of all, it is the general solution. See, for example, write that example number 1. Solve in series the equation. Solve in series the equation 9x into 1 minus x d square y by dx square minus 12 dy by dx plus 4y equal to 0. Nine x into 1 minus x d square y by dx square minus 12 dy by dx plus 4y equal to 0. Write the solution for this. Write the solution for this. Here, let us consider the solution. Let us consider, that is the first step. Let us consider the solution y equal to a naught x power m plus a1 x power m plus 1 plus a2 x power m plus 2 plus etc. dy by dx equal to m a naught x power m minus 1 plus a1 m plus 1 x power m plus etc. d square by dx square equal to m into m minus 1 a naught x power m minus 2 plus m plus 1 m a1 x power m minus 1 plus etc. Substituting dy by dx, substituting dy by dx and d square by dx square, substituting dy by dx and d square by dx square, we get 9x into 1 minus x 9x into 1 minus x m into m minus 1 a naught x power m minus 2 plus m plus 1 into m a1 x power m minus 1 plus etc. minus 12 into 12 into this one m into a naught x power m minus 1 plus a1 into m plus 1 x power m etc. finally plus 4 into a naught x power m plus a1 x power m plus 1 oh sorry got m plus 1 plus a2 x power m plus 2 plus etc. Finally, that is equal to 0 right hand side. That is equal to 0. Then what is the next step? Equating all coefficients equal to 0. The lowest power of x is x power m minus 1. The lowest power of x is x power m minus 1 equating to 0. The lowest power of x is x power m minus 1
ಸರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
ಉತ್ತಮದಲ್ಲಿಯಾ
ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ತಿರ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್
See what is the step 3 actually? Step 3. Given the step 1, step 2, step 3. Now, what is step 3 there?
Equating the coefficient of all degrees of x.
So okay. Please edit that one. Equate to 0 the coefficient of lowest degree terms in x. Equate to 0 third one. Please rough that freshly write that one. Third step is equate to 0 the coefficient of the lowest degree term equal to 0, the coefficient of lowest degree term in x. Lowest degree term in x. Equal to 0, the coefficient of lowest degree term in x. It gives a quadratic equation. It gives a quadratic equation known as indicial equation. Don't write that identical equation. Indicial equation. It is very important MCQ. Indicial equation. That is when you are equating that lowest degree of x equating to 0, you will get that one quadratic equation. That is called the indicial equation. So here the lowest power of x is x power m minus 1. Equating to 0 gives a naught into so what is the x power m minus 1 coefficient here? Nine into a naught into 9 into x power m minus 1. 9 m into m minus 1. 9 m into m minus 1. Then a naught into minus 12 amma. Here a naught into minus 12 equal to 0. So when you are solving this, what you get? A naught m into 3m minus 7. A naught m into 3m minus 7 equal to 0. So either a naught equal to 0 or m into 3m minus 7 equal to 0. But a naught is not equal to 0. You can take that m into 3m minus 7 equal to 0. So m equal to 0 or 3m minus 7 equal to 0. So 3m equal to 7, m equal to 7 by 3. The coefficient of x power m equal to 0. First we take it that lowest power is x power m minus 1. Next power is x power m. Equating the coefficient of x power n equal to x power n, that is equal to 0. So what you get? a1 into 9 into m plus 1 into m minus 12 into m plus 1 plus a naught plus a naught into 4 minus a naught into 4 minus 9m into m minus 1 equal to 0. So when you are solving this, you will get that 3a1 equal to m plus 1. You take it that a naught to that side. So when you are solving this, 3a1 into m plus 1, that is equal to a naught into 3m plus 1. So a1 equal to a naught into 3m plus 1 by 3 into m plus 1. See, in the last class, we have done that one method. That method, we have got that recurrence relation. In general, that means am plus 1, we have got that, or an plus 1, we got that, or an something, we got that, the recurrence relation. If you are substituting the value of n equal to 0, n equal to 1, n equal to 3, then you will get that a naught, a1, a2, a3. Okay, so here I am doing in the different way. Last class we have done in the different way. Here we are solving one problem in the different way. Which one method is that easier one you can follow. Even last class method is that easy, you can follow the same thing. Here we have to do that separately. That is, we have to equating that x power m minus 1 separately, x power m separately, then x power m plus 1 separately. If you are doing that, it will be very lengthy problem. Otherwise, if you are writing the general format as a series solution, summation format, summation of n equal to 1 to infinity, am into x power m, that format is different. Okay. So last class we have solved the problem in different manner. This problem we are solving, the same problem we are solving, but it is in the different manner. Okay. So there is no compulsion, that is you have to use that some particular method you have to follow. Okay. So there is no compulsion. Whatever that convenient you can follow. So if you are solving similarly, equating that last, this one is coefficient of x power m, na? Coefficient of x power m. If you are taking that coefficient of x power m plus 1, x power m plus 1, we will get that a2 equal to, directly I am writing, a2 equal to, you can do that afterwards, 3m plus 4, 3m plus 4, 3m plus 1 divided by 3 square m plus 2 m plus 1, m plus 2 m plus 1, a2. Similarly, a3 can be written as 3m plus 7, 3m plus 4. Actually, it is like that binomial series. You can see that it is like binomial series format. 3m plus 7, 3m plus 4, 3m plus 1 divided by 3 cube, m plus 3, m plus 2, m plus 1. into A naught to A naught and so on. When m equal to 0, first case, when m equal to 0, when m equal to 0, a1 is 1 by 3, a naught, a2 is 1 by 3 into 4 by 6, a naught, a3 is 1, 4, 7 by 3, 6, 9, a naught, etc. So it gives the particular solution. Gives the particular solution So what is y here? Y is a naught x power m plus a1 x power m plus 1 plus a2 x power m plus 2, etc. So what is a naught a1 a2 here? Here we are finding that a naught a1 a2. So at m equal to 0, we can write that first y is the general y equal to a naught x power m. I am writing here y equal to a naught x power m plus a1 x power m plus 1 plus a2 x2 x power m plus 2, etc. Okay, I am writing that y at m equal to 0 can be written as y1. I am writing the y1. So y1 meaning is y at m equal to 0. So what you get? Take it that a naught outside, everything a naught in terms of a naught. Therefore, taking a naught outside, 1 plus 1 by 3x plus 1 into 4, 3 into 6, x square, and so on. Similarly, we have to find a naught, a1, a2 value at m equal to 3 by 7. This case 1 actually. Case 1. Case 2. At m equal to 3 by 7. At m equal to 3 by 7, you have to find that what is a naught, what is a1, a2, a3, etc. So I am writing that directly here, not 3 by 7. Is it 3 by 7 or 7 by 3?
7 by 3, sir.
7 by 3. M equal to 7 by 3. Not 3 by 7. So we can write this as y1, na? So y2. y2 equal to a naught x power 7 by 3 x power 7 by 3, 1 plus 8 by 10x plus 8 into 11 by 10 into 13. That is, you can do afterwards. Everything I'm writing directly, but you have to substitute what is m value. Everything you have to find. X square plus 8, 11, 14 by 10, 13, 16, x cube, etc. For any second order ODE, the solution is in the form of y equal to C1 F1 plus C2 F2. Otherwise, C1 Y1 plus C2 Y2. Okay. C1 F1 plus C2 F2 or C1 Y1 plus C2 Y2. So C1 Y1 plus C2 Y2 means C1, substitute that Y1 value here. It is Y1. Okay. Plus C2, this Y2 substitute here. Okay. Write down. C1 Y1 plus C2 Y2. This small c1, write that it is small c1, small c1, small c2. Okay. Then you can combine that the constants, take constants c1 a naught equal to capital C1, C2 a naught equal to capital C2 you can write. So finally we can write that y equal to, otherwise you can leave it, no problem. Once again you can rearrange that, otherwise you can leave in the step itself. So it is a series solution format, y equal to series solution format for the given problem. After finding this y1 and y2 value, you can do that. Actually, this method is called the general format. For any order, for any equation, it may be linear or non-linear, we can solve it. Okay. Is it completed? Can I switch off the camera? Can you switch off the
Yes,
camera?
sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Divyadashini absent.
இல்ல சார் இருக்கு சார்.
Divya M னு இருக்கேன்.
சார்
Divya M தாமா இருக்கேன்.
அது திவ்யா எம்என் தான் சார் இருக்கு அதுல.
சரி திவ்யதர்ஷினி
அதுவும் நான் தான், ரெண்டும் நான் தான் சார்.
திவ்யதர்ஷினி யாரும் கிடையாதா டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல?
திவ்ய தர்ஷினில தான் சார் திவ்யா மட்டும்தான் சார் பேர்
திவ்யா
வந்திருக்கு
மட்டும்
அதுல.
தான் இங்க பேர் வருது. சரி ஓகே.
அதான் சார்.
சரி. மதுமிதா குமாரி
Sir.
ஓகே.
Sir.
சரி சரி. யார் ஆப்சென்ட் இன்னைக்கு கொஞ்சம் பார்த்து சொல்லுங்க. ஏன்னா இப்ப என்னால அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் எடுக்க முடியல.
Renuka Devi absent, sir.
சரி. லக்ஷ்மி
Yes,
லக்ஷ்மி
sir.
ஆப்சென்ட்டா? ஓ லக்ஷ்மி
Present.
பிரசன்ட்டா? சரி ஓகேம்மா. வாட்ஸ்அப்ல நான் அந்த நம்பர்ஸ் அந்த ஆப்சென்டிஸ் நம்பர்ஸ் மட்டும் எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் அனுப்பிச்சு
Okay, sir.
பார்த்துட்டு நோட் பண்ணிட்டு ஆப்சென்டிஸ் நம்பர்ஸ் 3 இல்லன்றது தெரியும்.
Okay, sir.
3 இல்ல நம்மளது டிஃபால்ட். ஓகேவா? 3 தவிர 31க்குள்ள வேற யார் நடுவுல ஆப்சென்ட் இருந்து ஜஸ்ட் நோட் பண்ணி எனக்கு வாட்ஸ்அப்ல அனுப்பு.
Okay, sir.
சரி. Thank you. You can leave the class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.